What's going on, diesel enthusiasts? Mark here at Diesel Power Products, and today we're going to be going over the MechMan high output alternator for your 7.3 or 6.0 Power Stroke. So with some of these trucks starting to get some age on them, your factory alternators are probably starting to see the end of their life, whether their diode bridges aren't holding charges anymore or the physical alternator itself is just not efficient. The folks over at MechMan give you an opportunity to run a much higher outputting alternator, whether you're trying to run 240 or higher up onto 320. It's up to you guys what you want to run. If you're trying to find out what your electrical system demands, don't hesitate to give us a phone call or chat in on the website. The guys here know how to get you taken care of. Let you know it will take a digital volt ohm meter and an amp clamp, but we'll help you guys out. So one of the cool things the folks over at MechMan are doing with these alternators is they're going from a 3-phase technology to a 6-phase technology. Now you might be asking, well, what the heck is a phase? So if you take a look at the electrical windings on the physical alternator itself, I have one taken apart for reference. This is on a Dodge platform, so a little bit different than the Powerstroke, but same concept applies. So phasing are these groupings of wires here. So with old school alternators, and traditionally what you'll see on these older Powerstrokes is 3-phase, where you'll have a whole bunch of wires grouped up in one section here. That tends to accumulate a ton of heat, which just kills efficiency and actually saps horsepower from your truck when your alternator is trying to work. One of the other cool things that MechMan's doing for you on your diode bridge in the back, traditionally you'll see 6 diodes. MechMan's gone ahead and pumped that up to 12. Now your diode's acting like a one-way electrical gate, since alternators traditionally create alternating current, which for your charging system you need a direct current. So how are you changing an alternating current into a direct current? That's what your diode bridge is for. You'll have electricity come through one way with alternating current wants to head back the other direction, but the diodes stop that. Usually if your charging system kicks the curb where you can't hold a charge anymore, one of the first places you want to take a look at is your diode bridge, whether you want to get it rebuilt or just upgrade your setup. One cool thing MechMan has done for you guys is they've included a physically larger stud, which you guys will need to run a larger alternator wire to your batteries. If you just try and reutilize the factory one, you will run into issues as far as melting that wire, potentially causing a fire. So if you guys want to run a larger wire, whether you want to go to your local auto parts store and grab that, you're more than welcome to. We have them on our website. We've already got that part taken care of for you. So if you guys are grabbing one of these alternators, let us know if you want to run one of those larger wires. So when you guys go to replace this alternator, you might notice that your coolant hold down bracket isn't fitting on top here any longer. Just due to the different sizing and casing here, they have you relocate it to the bottom. Will still work fine, doesn't affect performance or damage any fitment. So for some of you guys out there running a little bit different setup there, these alternators are designed to replace your factory alternator. If you're upfitted with an air compressor, a hydraulic pump, or something that's not OEM there, give us a phone call or chat in on the website. There are some different alternators that we're going to have to get you into that aren't the OEM designed replacement. The folks over at MechMan have you covered with a 2-year limited warranty. If you have questions on that, go ahead and head over to the website where they line that out for you. So if you guys have any other questions or ever need help trying to figure out what kind of setup you should be running on your 7.3 or 6.0, don't hesitate to give us a phone call or reach out to us on the website.